This is a sad episode today, guys. So I'm not even gonna begin, but this is the finale of Bedrock Survival. This is the final thing. I know we didn't really have anything more special, but something very, very, very much good is gonna happen with a mega collab, possibly three-way collab and a mega world. And it's good with multiplayer. One of the members is already here talking. Isn't that right, Clive?
Hello.
Yes, he's here in a call with me. But so far, I just wanted to tell you guys that it is over. So I am sorry, but it is. So yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. But we're gonna join Clive's world now. Isn't that right, Clive?
No, wait. I'm joining your world.
Oh, you're joining our world. Never mind. Okay, get me out of here. Let's go and do something. This is the finale. Cut the music. No more music. Please. Cut the music. It's supposed to be sad. Yes, sad today.
Actually, should I tell you the truth? I'm in Bed Wars.
You're in Bed Wars. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Guys, I am having trouble connecting to Bed Wars, and this guy is straight up inside of Bed Wars.
I'm playing
Alright, I'm joining Bed Wars.
CubeCraft.
Yeah, let's see if it works this time. For some reason, my Bed Wars is not working, or my CubeCraft, it's not joining.
I want to say something.
What? Say it to the camera.
Subscribe to me and subscribe to YT Legends, YouTube Legends.
Yeah, I'm not on that channel, bro. This is supposed to be like on our own channels. We're not making a channel for our server, by the way. And YT Legends is where we'll do the full episodes, okay? Everyone will record that on YT Legends, okay?
Yeah,
Well,
we'll sometimes do the important things on YT Legends or wait, I by mistakenly went in the game. Okay, sometimes we'll do on YT Legends.
no, I'm telling you something.
We'll do on our own
No,
channel.
I'm telling you something. The group episodes where all three of us are playing, that will be on YT Legends. Solo episodes will be on my channel. So you gotta go ahead and hop on over Clive and Jojo's channel and support them because they are also a part of this. And I got no internet. No internet. Bro, I got no internet.
Guys, subscribe to me. My channel name is CliveX Gaming. Subscribe.
Let me check my internet. Connected without internet. My phone is hot. Get me out. Yeah, no, I can't. There's no internet. Let me get to a better spot.
I got something to say. Guys,
What?
subscribe.
To Leo Vlogs. That is the thing.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up.
And subscribe.
Let's go, I'm joining.
Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me.
Subscribe to him. Subscribe to Leo Vlogs, my IRL channel, where you shall see IRL me, but not my face. Sometimes this guy will also be there.
Subscribe to CliveX Gaming.
Subscribe to everyone. That's how you support us. That's how you know. That's how you know.
Joe Success Gaming. Subscribe to Joe Success Gaming.
Yeah, it's Joe Success PvP now. I'll leave all of the channel handles in the comment section. So, Clive, where are you at, bro? I'm in the.
Now I left the game and I'm trying to join you. I'm trying to join you, but you're online only.
I am literally in CubeCraft.
Oh, wait, I'm joining.
But hardcore changes in progress.
But everyone listen, this guy is a newbie because he died at this hardcore.
I died in hardcore in 11 minutes. So what, huh? What are you gonna do? I am not supposed to be those professionals, and plus my friend killed me. So yeah, you can't really.
You were half a heart and you died.
My friend killed me. Okay, it's not my fault. If my friend kills me.
What you said to him? What you said to him after that?
Huh?
What you said after this? To Ariel. What you said to Ariel? Bro, where are you?
I don't know. I forgot, bro. I sent you friend request. Did you accept? Oh, sorry, party request. Did you accept? Otherwise, you give me party.
I gave you party request.
All right. Let's go to bed wars. Are we in bed wars? Yo, why is it so laggy in the main lobby? So many people. Technoblade! I found Technoblade, guys. Follow Technoblade. Technoblade never dies. Where is he gone? Technoblade never dies. Yay!
Wait, let me see if that is my friend. Wait. Because he has the same skin.
His name is Demo Mar.
No.
Hello, Demon Marky. You are Technoblade because he never died. What happened? Where did I go? Oh, I'm back. Eevee! Bed was time. Bed was time. Bed was time. Oh yeah, also we forgot the twist of this episode. Guys, anything I say will now happen on the screen. That's right, I will edit anything I want. So, edit 5.
If I say that also, if I say that,
Okay, fine. Maybe. Edit 10 subscribe button text on the screen right now. And then edit one big one after that. Thank you.
show my channel.
Show his channel. If I don't have a picture of your channel. Show his channel ka link.
Take a screenshot after
Okay.
this. Bro, show a screen. I like to take a screenshot.
You wanna take a
Wait, wait.
screenshot? This is the worst thing ever. I took a screenshot.
Send it to me afterwards.
Alright. It's gonna be epic, guys. Because anything I say, oh man, we with purple team.
Join the Discord group.
Huh?
To join the Discord group, you forgot that.
Yo, light blue has a
Bro,
bad. Light blue doesn't have a bad defense. And also, there are only 3 teams today. That's weird.
Lionel,
What?
say them to join your group.
Alright, I have a Discord group now. If you wanna join. They are very nice people. Let's rush red. There's no one at red, but the bed is still there. How is this possible? Should we break the bed at red? Yellow has the bed literally open. Yellow has the bed literally open. Yellow has the bed literally open.
And we are literally.
That's maximum block bridge over there. Please, let me block bridge over to that. Don't let him break it. Let me break it. Let me break the bed. It's gone.
That is the thing.
It's gone.
That
Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up. He's alone. He's alone. It's a 2v1. We can't lose. Oh my god, we lost a 2v1.
I died.
Same. How did you die to the void? Bruh.
Yeah. You made a name. Slide Warrior. Good, right?
Let's go attack the other people. We're going to rush fast. We're now rushers. Go. Bro, you got. Their way more stacked than us. Fight back. Don't fight back. Literally I literally died to the freaking chat screen. Yo, no. Beat him up. Yo, I am literally gaming right now. I am literally gaming. No, we're getting 2v1. We are getting 2v1. These kids are crazy. Run, guys, run. They're gonna get our bed. It's too late. They're gonna get our bed. We have to juke them. If they come here. They are getting our bed. Look at him. I got him. Nope. I don't got him. I don't got anybody. I'm out.
Wait,
Bye-bye, guys.
I'll rush.
I'm taking my diamonds and I'm out. Bye-bye. See y'all later.
I'm ready.
Finally, it's gone. We need blocks definitely now. And we need a fireball. No, I said we need a fireball.
No. Hell nah.
I'm going. No! I think I screamed so loud.
Don't worry.
I screamed. Cut. Wait, what else do we do? Should we? We're not really doing any. This is not a part of the plan. We are supposed to, what?
Show 10 burgers. Show 10 burgers on the screen.
Guys, show a knife. That will happen to if show a knife on the screen. If you don't subscribe, that's what happens. People who don't subscribe. But this like go.
Show a spider. A spider will come to your bed if you don't subscribe.
Yes. Show a spider. Spider comes into your bed.
Show 10 burgers of queso.
I don't know. I don't think so. That is even possible.
I know because it won't fit on the screen.
I almost fell down. Bro, like, they literally don't have a bed defense. They out here zero bed defensing. I have 5 diamonds.
That's why I'm buying your stuff blocks.
We have to make a bed defense, bro. They're gonna attack. Anytime now. I don't know. What's this? No, that's one. Even so, this one. Yeah, this. I realized that. And now I'm wait. What? And I boom 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 boom.
Bro, by the way, how will fans join your server?
I whitelist them. Guys, I am hosting events now. So join my Discord server. Link in comments. I'll put the link in the comments. Join it. It's fun. Trust me, you guys will have very much fun there. And you can even participate in events. Yes, right, events.
Yeah, with me.
No, we are going to have first event. It's going to be the choosing of the co-host. So it's between Clive and Johan, right? So it's between this guy and some other guy.
For what?
To host with me.
Oh,
What else?
bro, his name is literally Joe Success. This PvP.
Not just PvP. There's also parkour. Some challenges will also be there.
Easy.
Right, we'll see who wins, bro. We'll see who wins. Let's wrap this game up fast. I have 10 diamonds. I'm gonna buy a diamond sword. I'm just gonna act like this sad. Blech. Alright. No. I don't want to play Bed Wars again. Get me out. Yes. Alright. What do you want? I'm back. Exciting. Ah! Oh, I got saved. Where are we? Oh, Pillars of Fortune. This is epic, guys. Pillars of Fortune. Push your opponents. Where? Clive? Where's Clive? Oh, Clive is all the way on the other side. Bro, Clive.
Hello.
I see Clive. Oh, hey, Loda. Nah. That's it. You rest with me. You get the piglet, bro. No. You deserve a piglet head. Hey, Loda. Protection.
You have a piglet head. I have this music.
I died. I'm so cooked. Bro, I literally died to puffer fish. What happened?
What?
It restarted.
Oh.
I think it's because they know that I'm a YouTuber and whenever the YouTuber dies, they don't put them in bed. Bro, someone already got water. What? I can't place this down. Why you give me it? Of the night. I saw. I tried to place this here, but it will not let me. And it's Pearl. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Leo Gaming, Leo Vlogs. What else? Subscribe to everything there.